Good afternoon, everyone. I want to start by sharing my personal story. I grew up in a family of all girls, attended an all girls boarding school, and today I'm a mother to a daughter. I also serve as a board member for a nonprofit supporting girls' education in Tanzania. This is why I'm passionate about this cause, because I know firsthand the power of educating girls. My name is Anna Temu. I was born and raised in Tanzania. I currently reside in Dallas, Texas with my family. The purpose of my project is to improve the health and well-being of girls in Tanzania. How? By increasing their access to high quality education. This is why SEGA is important and why this project matters. A little about SEGA. SEGA stands for Secondary Education for Girls Advancement. It's a school that was founded in 2008 in Morogoro, Tanzania. It provides holistic boarding education for vulnerable girls. These are girls from low-income families who face a higher risk of early marriage and teen pregnancy. What's SEGA's mission? It's simple. Break the cycle of poverty through education, life skills, and entrepreneurship. Why SEGA matters? It provides gender equality environment and provides education which will unlock these girls' potential. SEGA is currently 100% funded by Nurturing Minds, which is a US-based organization that has been supporting SEGA since inception. If you want to learn about more SEGA, there's a YouTube link there for you. But why Tanzania, you may ask? Let's look at the bigger picture. Tanzania houses approximately 69 million people with a poverty rate of 43%. Girls face a 27% to 30% dropout rate and only 39% enroll in secondary school compared to boys. These numbers highlight why our work is critical. Primary education may be free, however, the quality is strained. So what is the challenge, you may ask? As the popular saying goes, talent is universal, but opportunity is not. The challenge that we're currently facing is that SEGA currently relies on Nurturing Minds. To sustain and grow the school, SEGA needs local Tanzanian sponsorship for vulnerable girls. What can we do to achieve this? Raise awareness of SEGA School and promote it as a school that provides quality education for girls. We want to continue to not only shift from the mindset of quantity versus quality, but also continue to build and enhance local sponsorship growth in Tanzania. Now, there's some known barriers when it comes to local sponsorship, and these vary from seasonal jobs, so this gives us unstable income, family obligations, we have to support our extended family members, cultural barriers, some communities undervalue girls' education, and mindset shift, focusing on sponsoring vulnerable girls and prioritizing quality versus quantity. My approach. As I approach this project, I involved 4 key steps. The first was I consulted with the SEGA board members and staff to understand and address the challenges that they've been faced with local sponsorship. This really helped me ground our strategy in real need. That has been completed. The second phase was the survey development. We created a survey to uncover barriers preventing contributions and to learn what do donors need to hear. The next 2 phases, which is project alignment and communication plan, are yet to be completed, but our next step will be project alignment, where we'll align our donor insights from the survey with SEGA's mission and programming priorities. We'll also present our final project to Nurturing Minds to ensure alignment and to seek funding for specific tasks that are going to be listed under communication plan. Our last phase will be the communication plan, and this is geared towards the local sponsors. It would include, but will not be limited to, SEGA branding for visibility and credibility, formation of a fundraising team locally, identification of companies to approach, as well as individuals. So, what did this survey tell us? Again, the purpose was to really understand their motivation, their preferred communication and contribution, to enhance engagement and transparency, and give us insights on how to advocate for our girls. The survey was conducted in English. Approximately 53 people completed the survey, and the key findings are noted here. The donor base was educated mid-career professionals, with majority being female. Girls' education is universally valued, and the messaging in our communication plan should reinforce the empowerment and equality. Scholarship and mentorship programs are the strongest donor priorities, Transparency is key, and impact storytelling are critical to build trust and overcome barriers. Flexible recognition was also requested, and contribution options will maximize inclusivity. So, what is our call to action based on this data? Your support is her future. Your support can transform a girl's life. You can sponsor a girl for as little as $10 a month. You can mentor students or share Sega's story within your network. Together, we can unlock opportunities for girls in Tanzania and break the cycle of poverty. When I look back, I wanted to reflect on what I've done so far on this project. First and foremost, I feel blessed that I was selected by WomenLift Health for this leadership journey. It has really enabled me to embark on this project. There are many key learnings, but here are some of the key takeaways. It's very important to understand what motivates local Tanzanians into sponsorship. We need to continue to build a team that shares the same vision and values. Patience and resilience is key. Setbacks are part of the process and have to continue to view them as learning opportunities. It was not easy to collect the survey results, as well as some instability in Tanzania, so I had to pause my project for a minute. Last but not least, I really have to keep my eyes on the long-term goal, despite any challenges that may come by. Last but not least, leadership is not just about achieving goals. It is about growing through this journey, and I've definitely grown as a person. Thank you.